Rejina Debbarma from Monday won bronze in the Muay Thai World Championship held in Bangkok, Thailand and has made Tripura and India proud. On Sunday, her family members, people from her village and her college peers went to MBB airport and welcomed her back warmly to the state. The Muay Thai Championship 2023 commenced on May 3rd till May 14 in Bangkok, Thailand. 18 participants take part in different categories representing India. Tripura Muay Thai fighter Rejina Debbarma is the only female fighter to represent India in the female under 23 to 45 kg category. However, Regina Debbarma has never participated in international level ever before. With that, she was little nervous during the tournament. However, out of 18 participants, Tripura Muay Thai fighter Rejina Debbarma and other 3 participants clinched the bronze medal for India. Regina Debbarma has won the bronze medal by defeating her opponents from Saudi Arabia. Regina Debbarma, a resident of Monday, has made Tripura proud by winning a bronze medal for India. On Sunday, her family members, people from her village and her college peers went to MBB airport and welcomed her back warmly to the state.
কবে গেছিলেন এবং কতজন পার্টিসিপেট করেছিলেন ত্রিপুরা থেকে?
আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা ওয়ার্ল্ড চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ হয়েছিল থাইল্যান্ডে মে 3 তারিখ থেকে 14 তারিখ পর্যন্ত। তো ইন্ডিয়া থেকে 18 এথলিটস আর 5 অফিসিয়ালস গেছিল। তো উই ওন 4 medals, all are bronze medal. World level competition is very tough. We're lucky that our girl from Tripura, Regina Debbarma, also won a medal. And this for information and this for happiness that she is selected for the World Combat Games, which will be in Saudi Arab, and also for the Indo-Asian and Martial Arts Games, which will be again in Thailand. For these 2 games, she is selected. But from all the locals that who have helped her at this moment, we will again urge them to help her again so that she can represent in those 2 games and bring laurels and glory for our state and country as well. I would also request on behalf of all the media to come up and to the government that to come and help us more and more so that we can uplift this game in our state. This game has got huge potential in our state. I think in near future, if we get more support from the government level, we can bring up more athletes. There are plenty more athletes who can bring laurels for our country in this game.
Thank you.
बहुत जगह ताम थोड़े नंग कैसे ब्रोंज माने फेंका
Antini belakin खुशी because antini Bangkok Thailand thangine tinang bronze mangka ani opponent kotong mani skang Philippines tong mani arpore semi final lo ang Saudi Arabia wai kelai kan week ni bagi kisah injury oktomo ni bagi ne angam se compete khaimalia, so next time I'll give my best.
What's the category of?
Under 23 minus 45 kg.
थेनांगला बम हाय थेना रवान सागे तंग उलोग रको
Ang thenya bus kangote bu kabang ma mane kabang mo compete hay tonggo an bagay mane combat game rock a jaga ang te bu participate khanya bagay tep kabang ma chuba chu nong ni blessing nang
और इंडिया रोनिला खरको से थांग पार्टिसिपेट फेंका
Indian ni 18 jon atong mani gangga jaga ni bishin chung 4 jon medal mangkha
ताई रखे ताम ताम बम
bor bu bronze ni mangkha
बम हाय मा तंग नि बखा ताव नगो ब्रोंज माने
onek khushi mane angam sik expect khaime ki anam sik buyano rishu khaine phaine amti khaine haine so ang onek khushi
आगे रो मो दवान खवाय से पण नाव हाय
imang kha national but this time and first time international so tabuk am sik mane ne onek khushi tongta
आदमी ने थंग मंके बम हाय थंग
Muay Thai
어제 타나니 반년이 뱅고 알고 government 군 help 만 해.
kisha mangkha Sir Suhel Chini college ni Chini church ni members organ chuba kha
माने गवर्नमेंट होता कोनो रजा के ना
mane
जे परिमाण अब त बिनि व्यक्तिगत सिरिखना बो हम त सरकार मा जो याना अनि ने मुखे
ani mung Regina Debbarma
para
ani para Mandai
College.
MBB college
Likewise, the MLA Rejina Debbarma of Mandi constituency has arrived at the MBP airport and welcomed her proudly.
Belai tongthoka tinini odin kasha muitun dinengnai tamale Chini Rejina Debbarma bo Mandai constituency ni ngai bo Khorang bronze medal man phaijak Muay Thai yo GTOI Muay Thai butoi boxat bulai masing khana ang bono puila malai puro bo thanani sekang malaika malai puro ang bono mokol pengeng jak tong tang niji nung da bulai paino ni ang bono hinno harota to phane ni seb rok tong na bulai thani hingkang ka bo phan baya ba nung jiti phaide hin sajak buku buino bo ta bu jiti phai belai ke tong thoka tam himale abo Chini Tripura ni gorbo bo khoroksa buri ingi nai abo jiti phaiman bage belai ke tong thogo jeng bono lamsogo tai yasak sogo tai bono tebo khabu charinani musungo ama haikeno bo tebo jiti thung tebo kaham thung taman himale bo khoroksa buri ingi nai abo world champion phaimani bage bono belai ke hambai maribo ichor bono tebo ama haikai kurung tebo phan boxing thun bini okurung ni bisingo teb kurung khai bochanan bage teb phani thung jeng belai khai tong thogo aw Chini Tripura wo ama haikai no kurung ama haikena thungui nai wal medal gold medal man phaima bo sikango bo Chini Debbarma bo charta gold medal man phaimani ama haike Tripura ni gorbo dini buri bukhuk ngi man phaimani bo Tripura ni gorbo jeng belai khai tong thogo bono lamsogo ama haikena bo kaham ke thung tai bini porashona bo disturb tang thun bo MBB college second year poritongo tai se bono bin boyos no nuguinai abo ang mas hasine ka bo bokla so porin sapur bo MBB college second year pori pro to ang bono class 8 9 hai ma tongo aprubo amo haike no mas saka bono haise bo bilai khai porashona dik dia bo bin bo thik no tongo ebong bini khela dula bo thing tongo porani somoy pora khelani somoy khela bo amo haike no line khai choli tongo amo haike no tebo Chini kobungnani musungo sara Tripura ni Chini buri bukhuk songo dine amo Chini bukhuk Regina haike no nora bo thungtani rogo nora bo agogui phaidi ni nai Chini buri bukhuk songo kobungna rogo ambai
ada no to khorse MLA bini boto kaise champion thaka kono haste mane hap ami o mai sanai ba oneria system ro rina nam hai wan song ro sana ja bo hai wan sok
musuma tota musung ya tong ni ale bono tamne ni o Muay Thai ni kaise service omo hairi kaise tebo agogui phainai Chini next generation ro bono omo hairi kaise ang cha jago tam gangkai jung to birodi o tongo ble jung government o botong ya haipana ang bo bini ngi nai kok sai nai ya ne omo hai kai jodi sujog rikang ang kai ba Chini next generation ro bini bisingti khlai nai agok phaimana na omo hai kai asai phayana omo hai ka asao
medal mane hai mane tini or salo go da haste ki sobe ge nang bo ma hai ma to
bulano kaithono blaikinya hambai tam male jeng kaithoni sara mungsa jaga chugui meya abo ang je bo asung jara sogui mane abo kaithoni hamari bani bo sogui kya am bagai ang kaithono blaikia hambai tai norok media rono bang blaikia hambai maro ta male nongni hoitena ani bisa tabu ge angi phaimani ba bo jidi phaimaro abo worldwide punugrang nai ba Tripura hastai wo joto jaga jeng nugnai abono nongni hoite bo punugrang ba gendor no pipeline hambai tai jara oro ani sajumano jengbai baksa lamsongna phainai joto taku bokrongno blaikinya hambai bises gai ang tai bo hambai mario Chini Father Francis bo Chini jingno je naikolo abo pipeline hambai mario tam hmale bo jingno bar pheje je jaga phan subabo jingno kobila ma tiyo abani bagi ani sajuma bo obo haike no sogi kyane ang tongo angge angte kaisa abono khatuma ya pharo Chini jesi ba Chini hasteni joto lokorno sengobo haike no khatung phaja kai ani besatini nini besatini obo haike ngnani bagai आं जतन कबो उदाई को जतन जों खेला दुला खाइमानि जागुलो न जों जत बरक बायबो सिनि जागो वाल वाइडो सिनि जागो नंगा के निजिनि साकसरि काहाम गाइछि जत जागाबो काहाम मान छुजा आबनि बागिनो जे जों दाबो गोबांमा हाइमा सिद्रा रक बाय कुबुलै तंमारो आबो जतन गेम रक थंगा अंगे जों आ हाइमा सिद्रा खाइमारो कुबुलै थांगो आरो बिसे खादुंगो अंगे kaham borok bai jodino game thangka kai kotaban sajuma gotabu thangmani jagao 100 country ni borok a jagao jugri layo angka obo hai kaham jaga ro thangi kaham borok bai malai kai chini sarai ro tai bo khatungnai borok bo khaba sanai angkai hani besar bo bini bo amo hai ke horiman ga ani besano bo khona chesta nanai obo hai ro khone
bono ot thingnani tai pori thini kono kebeng mung rok da phaikan
abo to kisamisa kebeng mung to phainai no ta male chung to reja borok angkai romli chung chana nungna hoite bo bono ase dai dri mai angbo angkai tai pornani rogo bo iko bono bot je RCC srung tongmani aro bo himichi thango moi obinogor chung bara tonglayo ga oroni se bo himai taibisa horo bo paikhan kai oro taibisa himi no ma phayo obo haijai ko ma haijai problem boni tongla haibano abo to nung khaina hangai asuk to ma khainai no angkai abono ang joto lugurongno lugu mane srai je sigla jalai rongno ang kobungna musunggo chini hasteni जों खाइगे माइ आइया जतन माननाय बुइमानि जों तांनि माइ आंनाय बा आबनि बागैनो जों जतन चेष्टा खायनो नांनाय चेष्टा खायमानि जागुलोसे जों जत सक्सेस जों
ताफुनि
आनि मुंखे शान्ति कुमार देबरमा kami antau mandai dong an para asal para angke segera ya berserikat.
Our college friends and villagers has warmly welcomed a bronze medal champion Rejina Debbarma with a flower bouquet at the MBB airport. Reported by Krishna from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.